met you though, she call me Poppy.
All right, just like that. You can hear the echo. Guys, check this out. My baby. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Don't mind the hair. It is a mess. I haven't had a haircut. I haven't had time for anything. But as you guys can see, we got a new house. We have a super long driveway. We can fit up a whole bunch of cars. Look at my baby right here. We finally have space to do whatever we want. And we also got our garage space. This is bigger than it looks on camera. I don't know how it looks on camera, but this is pretty wide. It's pretty good. Both cars fit perfectly. You guys can see, like, even with the car all the way this way, I have so much space on this side. So my girlfriend can park her car on this side or vice versa, whatever. This is so amazing. It's awesome. It's great. I've been working my butt off for a long time just so I can achieve something like this. And honestly, I posted on my Instagram if you haven't followed me down below. And to be honest, guys, this is a great accomplishment. And follow me on Instagram so you guys can pretty much see behind the scenes, you know, what I post and everything. I posted this a while ago on Instagram, but you know, the video is coming out now, so I wanted to surprise you guys. But there's what we're doing. Finally got some space to work on the car. Right now we're waiting for like the washer and dryer to come, so we're waiting here and so they can come and install it. But thank you guys for all your support. You know, without you guys, I would not be doing my car the way it is. And honestly, you guys' support pushed me to do so much better with the car, with things like this and all that. This was a goal of mine and finally reached it. Now I will give you guys a house tour, but we still haven't completely moved all the stuff, so it's like a little bit of a mess. Soon when everything gets here and all that, so we will be giving you guys a tour of the house. Now you guys know why I really haven't posted and the videos have been slow, and it's because of that. It's because I've been working my butt off and doing like a lot of things behind the scenes with the house, and you know, trying to get everything ready, papers, and we know with work and everything. I just had very little time to do everything and the shopping and all that. So but we should be getting back in our schedule pretty soon, like even better, like upload a couple times, maybe a week or whatever. And I got another surprise for you guys, but we gotta keep down the low real quick, but it's coming soon. Now about the giveaway, guys, real quick, honestly I couldn't do it because of, you know, the house and everything, and like the spending and just the time in general. But trust me guys, I'm working on it. I'm trying to get that out soon to you guys, so stay on the lookout for that one video. You guys will know which video it is because I will post it on my Instagram, and I'm gonna let you guys know on YouTube. So, you know, just stay tuned. It should be shortly, like probably in the next week and a half or so. I should be getting that ready. All right, so next mod, incoming, oil catch can. I had this actually for a while, and I ordered a hose. Hose didn't work for me. It said it was a size, but it was plastic in the inside, so it didn't go over the mouth. And there's like a 3/4, something like that. I don't know. It's pretty big, but it's like the I think it's Burger Tuning. If you guys look up Burger Tuning oil catch can, you guys will see this one. So there's the hose. I got one that fits. It took me a while, but like I told you guys, I've been busy with all this, so it took me a while to get the hose. But this is one of the next mods that we're gonna be doing here fairly soon. So got the hose and everything, so I'm ready pretty much. And like, you know, just look at this. These people take forever. So I don't know where they're at, but they take forever, and I'm just waiting in my garage. So I think I'm gonna just start unloading things because I got stuff to do, so I can't just wait for them all day. I don't know where they're at. Probably got lost. Okay, I think that's our truck. So yeah, it actually came. Like right as soon as I dropped the camera, it actually came. So I'm about to open, like the garage is open, but I gotta open the other door. But I think that's our truck, and they're Cuban, just like me. So space to go in here. Space to go in the house. Oh wait, not yet, not yet. Not yet. Damn, the car's like super dirty. I am so sorry. And this is Twinkie. What's going on? That's the washer. It's going. Don't worry. It's just doing its stuff. It's okay. It's okay. She's trying to get used to the. She's trying to get used to the house. It's okay. This is Twinkie, guys. Twinkie, say hi. Say hi, Twinkie. But yeah, that's Twinkie. So I went to Harbor Freight. We gotta get some tools, gotta do a couple things around the house. So guys, I'm so sorry that I have not been posting videos. What is this guy doing? Like, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna just leave it here, and hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the surprise. We have so much more coming for this car and like the Lancer and just in general. Hopefully we can get this all done quickly and get back on doing car stuff, because we got suspension work to do, we got engine work to do, we definitely got trans work to do, because I gotta update you guys on the transmission. So that's a whole nother situation. Yeah, that's a whole nother situation. So but you guys, until then, I'm gonna catch you later. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.